and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be going over the 7 benefits of cucumber water. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So I have a couple different videos on my channel about water now, or hydration, lemon water, hot water, benefits of drinking cold water, hot water, all that kind of stuff. I can make sure to link, like a playlist or something like that, or the different videos right up here. Make sure to check those out. But we have a change of scenery here today. It's more comfy for me and a change of scenery for you. Let me know what you guys think of this little setup, but I'm digging it. I'm nice and comfy. So, cucumber water. What would be the purpose of drinking cucumber water? I'm sure you've seen all different types of waters and infused waters and things going around. So of course, people are coming up with these different things to stay hydrated and healthier ways to stay hydrated. So let's get into the benefits today. So of course, the first benefit is going to be hydration. So this is definitely going to keep you hydrated. So I know you've heard me say it a million times now, your body can physically not function properly without hydration, without water. You need it. 6 to 8 glasses a day. I'm just going to say on average, but you guys know I have other videos on my channel talking all about hydration and how much, you need and how everybody's different. So definitely check those videos out. So cucumber water can definitely keep you more hydrated here. Of course, cucumbers are made up of a ton of water, but also it just tastes a little bit more refreshing and gives you a little bit extra flavor, so it's not just boring plain water, and maybe you'll want to drink a little more of it. Number 2 is that it can help with weight loss. Now, am I saying if you drink cucumber water, the pounds are just going to melt off of your body? No. But if you're replacing, sodas, or instead of drinking, 3 sodas, you have 2 sodas and you have lemon water, it'll help. I talk about it all the time. You don't realize how many extra calories you consume just from your beverages that typically aren't really aiding in any satiety, so you're going to be still eating the same amount of food and then increasing your calorie intake with beverages. So I know you've heard me talk about, sugary soda drinks and sports drinks and things like that. If you're replacing them with, an infused water like a cucumber water, maybe not every single drink you have during the day, but at least a few, it will help. Now, another way it can help with weight loss is with satiety. So, just feeling more full can obviously help, and if you're truly hydrated, you're going to be feeling more full. Sometimes you and your body, you can confuse being thirsty with being hungry, so if you're making sure you're staying hydrated, you can kind of stop that confusion. I know this can sound a little bit crazy, but let's say you think you're feeling like a little hungry. If you just grab a tall glass of some cucumber water, down that, and then see how you feel. If you feel like that feeling went away, maybe you were just thirsty. If you still feel like, yeah, no, that didn't do it for me, go grab a snack. Number 3 are antioxidants. So you can be getting a good amount of antioxidants from having your cucumber water. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, manganese, flavonoid antioxidants, and more. Number 4 is that it can help prevent cancer. Now, hear me out on this one. Cucumbers have compounds called cucubertacins along with their antioxidants, and these are proven to have a role in preventing cancer. Now, one study from the Journal of Cancer Research, they found that the dietary flavonoid fiacin found in cucumbers can help slow the progression of prostate cancer specifically. Number 5 is that it lowers your blood pressure. So one of the factors of having high blood pressure is that you have too much sodium in your body but not enough potassium. Excess salt causes your body to hold on to fluids, which raises your blood pressure, and potassium is an electrolyte. So this is going to help your body regulate the amount of sodium that is retained by your kidneys. And cucumbers are a good source of potassium, so you see where I'm going with this. Number 6 is that it supports healthy skin. Cucumber water can help soothe your skin from the inside out. And of course, staying hydrated is going to help your skin and your complexion immensely. Everything starts from the inside. Vitamin B5 has also been used to treat acne, and guess what? It is found in cucumbers. And number 7 is that it can boost your bone health. So cucumbers are really high in vitamin K. Your body needs vitamin K in order to help form the proteins that are necessary to, have nice healthy bones and tissues, and to help your body blood clot properly. So what a better better way to get these nutrients than with some nice cucumber water. But that is all I have for this video today, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video would really help me a lot. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.